Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add translation language on your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Scroll down. In the Language Info section, click on Preferred Language. Click on Advanced Settings. Now click on Choose a default translation language. Select the language that you want to add from the list of available languages. After making the selection, click Done to close the dialog box. From now on, Outlook mails you receive in other languages will be translated to your preferred translation language. This is how you can add translation language on your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.